Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hello to my new subscribers. Welcome, this is Madonna Blue Line Art. Today I'm gonna give you another set of drawing ideas, but this time it's for summer season. So I'm going to use a 8.5 by 11 paper, Sharpie marker, and my micron 0.5 for drawing or doodling. And I'm going to use my Sharpie marker to do a simple lettering of summer word in the middle. If you don't want to have any lettering on your doodle, it's fine. You can skip this step. And if you watch my previous video of how to draw spring or how to make your own coloring book or coloring sheet or page, I made similar letterings too. Then afterwards, I'm going to just gonna add some simple back shadows to the letterings to make it pop again. Then, once you're done, it's time for the fun part. So let's add some doodles around the theme of summer to make it more interesting. You can draw elements around the summer word, or you can just put it together or connect it together. And it's really up to you. And the important thing is you release your ideas on your theme for summer. How about some fruits or tropical foods? Flowers. I particularly love sunflowers. I planted them once in the front yard one time and they are really super blooming flowers. But then the next day the deers enjoy it very much. So I kind of love sunflowers now, drawing on the paper instead. So summer is super hot season, so it reminds me of just going to the beach, picking some shells, which is barefoot. Yes, seashells are really pretty and one of my all-time favorite things to draw. As you can see, I spread it around on my table and have it beside me, so I really don't have to copy or draw the shells that I see in front of me as is. You just have to observe and draw it in your own style, and I think it gives me some summer vibes while I was drawing or doodling. So anything you can doodle around, like your memories from your vacation or places you visited before, and there's a lot of ideas you can make to life in your paper and pen alone. So I encourage you not to copy my ideas, to be more creative so that it will appear more unique to your own style. And that will really help you flourish to generate more ideas for your drawing or doodling. So let go of your ideas. It can be helpful too if, for example, you plan ahead or make a list of things on the paper or write it down on the paper for the summer season. But you can also do it like on the spot, like what I did or what I'm doing right now. I'm just really just doodling around what ideas that I can think of for the moment for summer season. So think of ice cream, lemonades, icy juice, like summer clothes. The internet also is your friend. You can search on Google, but please bear in mind not to copy it as is. And it is better when you do it on your own style and in your own reference. I also include like plants, cactus, anything that you can think when it is very, very hot. Shout out to my friend Nina for giving me a brilliant idea of making a summer series for this video, but not necessarily for a flower. Maybe I will make another series for that, for just only flower for summer. But since I'm done with spring, so I kind of like think, oh yes, why not summer also? So summer is one of my favorite seasons next to spring, except sometimes the heat can really be too much. But yes, that's why it's called summer. But in tropical areas, like in some Asian country, where we only have like two seasons, like wet and dry season. So it's really most part of the seasons there are really hot, compared to the countries that has four seasons like spring, summer, fall, and winter. So this kind of makes me look forward for summer too. So once I'm done with drawing, with whatever ideas that comes with my mind. I'm going to use my Sharpie markers combination with color pencils to bring some colors or add more colors to the illustration. And you can use whatever. Use watercolors as long as your paper is thick enough to absorb or handle watercolors. But this time I decided just to use mostly drawing medium because my paper is not that so thick, and also I don't have to wait for paints or colors to dry, so I can work a little faster for this time. So there you go guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and summer season vibes, and I hope I give you some ideas what if ever you want to work on summer doodles for your next project. So thank you for supporting my channel and watching my videos, and I can't wait for the next summer series. If you have any suggestions or questions, please comment down below and I would like to hear from you. So have a great day and happy drawing!